Whoa, what up, what's happening? You already know the drill. First things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now today we're going to take a look at the Big Kids Air Max 97 RFT. Welcome to the app. Okay, so looking at the box, you see you have the orange box. Some people call it a red box, whichever you choose. See you have the Nike logos all around the box, all on the side, large one on the top. Blase, y'all already familiar with that. So let's take a look at the tag, man. So what we have is the Nike Air Max 97 RFT, grade school. Now, I'm not sure what the RFT stands for. I don't know if it's reflective. I doubt that. But if you know, let me know, man. So here it is. The Air Max 97 RFT Big Kids. Now, as you look at the shoe, you can see it's typically a Air Max 97 silver bullet. They kept that theme going, but they added a few extras, man. As you can see, it has like a childish, a kiddish vibe to me. Especially with them adding the new colors in and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? So, again, I got these for my daughter, man. You know, school's about to start, so I got to go ahead and start stacking up this year's collection. So, let's take a look around the shoe, man. Now, under the bottom, you see you have the Volt outsole. Nice touch. All along the side, you see you got that red Air Max sole unit. You see the Volt running all along the midsole. See the red swoosh. Here's a look from the front. Top of the toe box. See, there's your toggle unit. Here's your medial side. And there's your back. See your pull tag with your Air Max on the back. So what you have is a silver bullet with some hits of Volt and red. Now I'm going to look at the other shoe. Everything's the same. There's no difference between the two. As you can see, if you're a fan of the silver bullets, you might like this, you might not, who knows. This is for the kids now. That was a look at the tag on the back, closer look. Here's your medial side. Here's a look at your front. Top of the toe box. And there's your tongue and the toggle system. I'm going to give you a closer look at the little toggle system or whatever. There's a closer look at the tongue. So you had a black patch with the red swoosh. Now on the insole, there's no branding, no labeling. Comes with a little sticker on it. Here's a close-up look. Upper contains synthetic leather. So hey, it is what it is, man. Let me get this shoe tree back in there, man. So I think it's a dope shoe, man. It's nice for the kids, man. You know, like I say, I copped this pair for my daughter, man, and she love them. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these, man. They hot or not? Easy cop, pass. Know my people with the small feet, they like to see me do these reviews, so that's who I do this for, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is, man. To me, though, I think it's a dope shoe. I'm feeling it. Had to lay up there and get a pair for my daughter because the saga continues. Got to start building a collection up for this year, so it is what it is, man. So I'm about to lay up here and get out of here, man. We trying to get ready for the storm. And well, look, before that, here's a look at the little Volt outsole. See the red air unit. See the red swoosh. Here's a look at your toggle unit. Give you a close-up look. They have a Nike branding on the end of the toggle unit, as you can see. And on the other part, it's pretty much like the toggle that comes on a Jordan 6 or whatever it is, 5, whatever, you know, but it's a dope shoe, man. And right here you can see, give you a snapshot of that 3M. I know a lot of y'all like that, see that little reflective thing going on, man. But other than that, man, I think it's a dope shoe for the kids, man. I got to get out of here, man, because I got to get ready to go fight against this storm. Hope everybody in Louisiana stay safe. Follows on Instagram at PeddlersAir504, and I'ma holla back.